Hey guys, this is Ron with Off-Road Overland Camping. Today we are doing Gold Mountain. It's December 29th, 2024. Got a invite to go with a group of guys to check out the trail. Also, I wanted to do this as my shakedown run because I recently upgraded my suspension and my axles, and I also bought a new rooftop tent. So I wanted to see if there was going to be any body roll or top heaviness, and I wanted to see how everything performed on the trail. And this is a great trail to try because there's waterfalls and a lot of different obstacles you could try to test your skill level. This is one of my favorite trails to go on. I love Gold Mountain. It's actually really like doing it in the wintertime when it's snowing outside. We've done it in 3 to 5 feet of snow, and it's a blast. So doing it, on a day like today, with the sun shining, it's about 70 degrees outside. Everything's really clear, so it's a little bit different doing it this way. Okay, we finally got up to the first obstacle, and it's been a while since I've been up here, but I can tell you it definitely looks a lot different than the last time I was here. It looks like the Forest Service added some gravel. I'm surprised. It's a lot easier than I remembered it. It's kind of a bummer that they do this because it's a Jeep trail. You want it to be challenging. You don't want it to be easy. So it's extremely easy now. As you can see, we just drive right through. It's not a big deal. This is the second waterfall, so this here is also pretty easy as well. When you're out there, you can see where they added gravel to fill in a lot of the dips that they had. This gentleman in front of me, he's got a yellow two-door JL stick shift, so it's a little more challenging for him driving a stick versus an automatic like what I have. But here I go on the second obstacle. You can see how I do. Wow, you could see how they filled in a lot of the gaps here on the trail.
That's the rut down there.